If you're studying for the INBDE, I highly recommend INBDE Bootcamp, an all-in-one study resource that will help you pass your exam. Use coupon code MENTALDENTAL for 10% off. Hey everyone, Dr. Ryan here, and welcome back to Mental Dental. This channel is filled with lectures and clinical demonstrations, but from time to time, I like to give y'all some practical life advice, and so that's what this video will be all about. Now, this advice could apply to your journey through dental school, in your life as a dentist, or just life in general. And so in this video, I want to talk about how to keep your priorities straight. Because when everything feels important, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and become unproductive. So let's talk about how to manage your time, your tasks, and ultimately yourself. Strong time management begins with strong self-management. What is that? Well, it means understanding what's truly worth your energy and your effort, and having the discipline and discernment to act on that understanding. The truth is, you can't do everything. You can't watch every single movie ever made. You can't read every single book ever written, but you can pick and choose and do what matters most to you. So I want to show you a simple yet powerful tool, and it's a 2x2 table that helps you sort every task by urgency and importance. We'll call it the priority table. So here it is. So here is the priority table, and it's very simple. We just set up a 2x2 table, and we put urgent and not urgent across the top. Urgent means there's a strict timeline or deadline and it needs immediate attention. Not urgent is the opposite of that. And down the left side, we can put important and not important. Important meaning there's value and significance. Not important, the opposite. So now let's break down the 4 boxes of the table. The top left, box 1, is urgent and important. That's our priorities. Things that demand your immediate attention and actually matter, like an upcoming exam that maybe you haven't studied for, or a dental school application deadline. Ideally, we want to try to keep this box number 1, as empty as possible by planning ahead and then doing those things on time or early. Top right, box 2, is the intersection of not urgent yet important. And so these are things that truly shape your future, like long-term studying, networking, working on your hand skills, or building a professional portfolio. This is work that matters. They're important things, but not necessarily urgent. So we tend to put them off for a later time or a later date. We procrastinate these items in particular. And the truth is, this is often where your best work can live, right in this section. So we need to intentionally block out time for it and protect it. The bottom left, box 3, is the intersection of urgent and not important. And this is a tricky one. These are tasks that feel urgent, but they don't need you specifically. So examples might be scheduling meetings, organizing materials, and replying to routine emails. They matter, but not enough to take up your limited focus. So if you can, delegate these tasks to somebody else. Ask for help, automate them, or simplify the process so they don't take up as much of your time. And then bottom right, box 4, is not urgent and not important. These are what we can call your posteriorities, the things you should eliminate altogether. Some examples might be scrolling endlessly on social media, rewatching a show for the 3rd or 4th time, checking your phone every 5 minutes. Cut these things out and you'll instantly feel like you've gained more hours in the day. So practically, what do we do with this? I recommend drawing this table out and start listing things, right? Go back and replay through your day or your week and fill in each quadrant of this table. Priorities and deadlines you have coming up, essential work, non-essential work or busy work, daily tasks and checklist items, and then things that are just wasting time. And then, after you have it filled out, do it, plan it, delegate it, and eliminate it. Do your priorities, plan out your work, delegate your tasks, and eliminate your posteriorities. One of my most often asked questions is, Dr. Ryan, how do you have time to do everything that you do? And my answer to that, the key, is managing my priorities. It's not about doing more, it's about doing what matters most and delegating and eliminating the rest. So if you want to get into dental school, if you want to pass and crush your INBDE and your ADAT and your AFK exams, if you want to become a better clinician, a better friend, a better spouse, a better parent, it all starts with keeping your priorities straight. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and doubly thanks for liking and subscribing to this channel. I hope you found the advice in this video helpful for your life as a dentist or just life in general. If you want more dental tips and tricks and advice and lectures, make sure you stay tuned to this channel on YouTube. You can check out the Mental Dental Academy for more resources. Link in the description below for that. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Until next time, work smarter, not harder, and I'll see you in the next video.